Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Lane, the place where learning becomes simple, interesting, and meaningful. Today, we are going to explore one of the most vibrant, historical, and culturally rich states of India, our state Gujarat. In this video, we will learn about Gujarat's location, history, culture, festivals, food, economy, famous places, and why it holds a special place in the heart of India. So, let's begin our learning journey together. Gujarat is located on the western coast of India and is bordered by the Arabian Sea. It shares its boundaries with Rajasthan in the north, Madhya Pradesh in the east, Maharashtra in the south, and Pakistan in the northwest. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India, stretching over 1,600 kilometers, which makes it an important center for trade, ports, and maritime activities. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, while Ahmedabad is its largest city and economic hub. The history of Gujarat is ancient and glorious. Archaeological evidence shows that the Indus Valley civilization flourished here, especially in places like Lothal, which had one of the world's earliest dockyards. Over the centuries, Gujarat was ruled by Mauryas, Guptas, Solankis, and Mughals. Later, it became an important region during the British period. Gujarat also played a major role in India's freedom struggle, as it is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, whose ideals of truth and non-violence inspired the entire world. Gujarat officially became a separate state on 1 May 1960, after being divided from the Bombay state. Since then, Gujarat has developed rapidly in industries, education, agriculture, and infrastructure. The state is known for its hard-working people, business skills, and strong cultural values. Today, Gujarat is one of India's most progressive and economically powerful states. The people of Gujarat mainly speak Gujarati, which is the state language, along with Hindi and English. Gujarati culture is famous for its warmth, hospitality, simplicity, and vibrant traditions. One of the most beautiful aspects of Gujarat is its folk art, including Garba and Dandiya Ras, which are traditional dances performed during festivals, especially Navratri. These dances reflect joy, devotion, and community spirit, bringing people together in celebration. Gujarat is also known for its colorful festivals. Navratri is celebrated with great enthusiasm across the state, where people wear traditional clothes and dance all night. Uttarayan, the kite festival celebrated in January, fills the sky with thousands of colorful kites. Diwali, Janmashtami, and Rath Yatra are also celebrated with devotion and happiness. These festivals showcase Gujarat's deep-rooted culture and strong spiritual values. When it comes to food, Gujarat offers one of the most unique and delicious cuisines in India. Gujarati food is mostly vegetarian and is known for its balanced taste of sweet, salty, and spicy flavors. Popular dishes include dhokla, thepla, khandvi, fafda, undhiyu, handvo, and kadhi. A traditional Gujarati thali includes roti, dal, rice, vegetables, farsan, sweets, and buttermilk, offering a complete and nutritious meal. Gujarati snacks are loved all over India and even abroad. Gujarat is also rich in natural beauty and wildlife. It is the only place in the world where Asiatic lions are found naturally, in the Gir National Park. The state has deserts like the Rann of Kutch, which becomes a white salt desert and a cultural festival ground during the Rann Utsav. Gujarat also has beautiful beaches such as Mandvi, Dwarka, and Somnath, as well as hills, forests, rivers, and wetlands, making it geographically diverse and scenic. The state is famous for its religious and historical places. Somnath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva, stands as a symbol of faith and resilience. Dwarka, associated with Lord Krishna, is one of the 4 sacred Tirthams. Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, is located in Kevadia and honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Other famous sites include Sabarmati Ashram, Sun Temple Modhera, Champaner Pavagar, Akshardham Temple, and Rani Ki Vav, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Gujarat is one of India's leading industrial and economic states. It is a major producer of cotton, groundnut, tobacco, salt, and dairy products. The state has strong industries in textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, automobiles, petrochemicals, and diamond cutting and polishing. The city of Surat is known as the diamond capital of the world, while Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of India due to its textile industry. Gujarat also plays a key role in renewable energy, especially solar and wind power. Education and development are important priorities in Gujarat. The state has well-known institutions such as IIT Gandhinagar, IIM Ahmedabad, and many universities, schools, and research centers. Gujarat focuses on skill development, entrepreneurship, innovation, and digital growth. The people of Gujarat believe strongly in education, discipline, and self-reliance, which contributes to the overall progress of the state. The lifestyle of Gujarati reflects simplicity, positivity, and community bonding. People are known for their welcoming nature and business-minded attitude. The concept of Atithi Devo Bhava, meaning guests are like God, is deeply rooted in Gujarati culture. Family values, respect for elders, and social harmony play an important role in daily life. Traditional clothing like chaniya choli for women and kdu with dhoti for men is still worn during festivals and special occasion. In conclusion, Gujarat is a land of rich heritage, colorful culture, delicious food, strong values, spiritual depth, and rapid development. From ancient civilization sites to modern industrial cities, from deserts to forests, and from temples to world-famous monuments, Gujarat truly represents the spirit of India. It is a state that teaches us unity in diversity, progress with tradition, and growth with values. Thank you so much for watching this video on Learning Lane. If you enjoyed learning about our beautiful state Gujarat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Lane for more amazing educational videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious with Learning Lane.